Naruto versus Dragon Ball Z. You know them. You've seen their show. Now they're coming together in one epic battle. Naruto versus DBZ. Your favorite characters battling it out to see who is the ultimate warrior. Dragon Ball Z or Naruto. These characters have been chosen from the top anime people who think these are the coolest shows ever. Now, let's go to the battle. First up will be random computer selecting, Piccolo versus Sasuke. Go! Oh my god, is she throwing knives at me? Oh crap! Oh my god, this kid is feisty. Oh Jesus, yeah, I'll take this, green man. Oh, yes, I hate green people. Oh yeah, well I hate ninjas. Psh, oh my god. Haha, I won, punk. Random computer selecting. Mr. Roshi versus Sakura. Cha! I'm gonna kick this old man behind. Yeah, I can't hit it on man. That's policy rules. Senior citizens rock. Senior citizens, huh? Yes, nice beat. Ooh. What? You want man? I'll kill you. Oh my god. Winner, Sakura. Random computer selecting. Neji versus Krillin. Byakugan. Oh my god. What is he? Oh my god. Neji, winner. Random computer selecting. Vegeta versus Rock Lee. Go get him, Lee. Welcome, sensei. You cannot beat me. Yeah, punk kid. Engine transmission. Oh my god, where did he go? Yeah, I'm right here. Super Saiyan. Oh my god, his hair is so blonde. Do you use milk in your hair? Yes, I do. Nice, isn't it? Yes. Oh my god. Oh, no. Take off the weights, Lee. Oh my god, that hurt. I shouldn't have that bean burrito. Oh my god. Final flash. Oh my god, that hurt. Oh, winner, Vegeta. Random computer selecting. Next battle, Goku versus Naruto. Yes, folks, this battle will be unphenomenal to determine who is the champion of anime. Yeah, does no good here. You suck. Oh my god. Random dodging. Yeah, take that, Naruto. Shadow Clone Jutsu. I know which one's the real one, but I'm gonna beat them all up for fun. Yeah, miss. Pwnage! Oh, nobody pwns Naruto. Take this. Bean burrito charging. Oh my god, this kid is unleashing a deadly fire. Oh, it smells. Oh my god, it smells so bad. Whoa, I smell it all the way through the TV. Oh my god, Kakarot, what have you been eating? Oh my god, that kid's explosive. Hey, you pretty girl. Hey, stop. I just want to talk. Want to go on a date? What? No, I'll never go on a date with you. Oh, I was just asking. You're like twice my age or something. What's Super Saiyan Sakura? What is anime coming to? Oh my god. Haha. The last one was a tie. Nobody will know. But DBZ is still better.